So we're finally doing an update on the Landcruiser. As you guys can see, we've got the different body on it now. We took this bad boy out because it was rusty, super rusty. And we're pretty much getting to that finish line. Gus, why don't you tell us a little about what you guys have done to this thing since y'all have had it apart?
Yeah, the first thing we did was upgrade the factory suspension, which was pretty old and tired. So it's got a OME, which is Old Man Emu, 3-inch lift kit. And so we redid all of the brakes, new calipers all the way around. We descaled the frame and wire brushed it, got it down to clean metal. We reinforced it with gussets throughout the body. We put extra plate around the suspension mount points. And then we welded on new cross members. We took out the spare tire holder and put a big piece of 2x4-inch bar in there.
Is that this?
No, it's this back one right here, this big boy. That gives us a lot of stability. And here, you know, we welded on a piece of channel. So this is going to be what the rear bumper mounts to. So then once we got the tires, we upgraded tires to 33s.
And these are Ford tires, or wheels, right? Y'all got some Bronco takeoffs?
Yeah, so the Steelies are Bronco takeoffs, and we had to mill those, the center bore, to allow for the hub, the Toyota hub, to fit into the Bronco wheels. So those are 17s, and then we put the 33-inch tires on them, and we put some 1.5-inch spacers to give us clearance because the offset was different on the Bronco wheels, so we wanted to push them out to the corners to give us a little more stability. What else? We put in adjustable linkages throughout the suspension. Still need to adjust them. We're going to extend the sway bars a little bit so we can have a little more clearance there. But then other than that, we once we had the cab off, you know, we took everything out. We stripped that old cab. This cab we got, it's rust free. It had a fire in the firewall. And so had to sandblast down to bare metal here, and then we primed and painted this cab. And then, you know, we're gonna put everything back in here and then get all new glass. Well, it'll be the glass from the old one.
That glass looks fine, brother. You can just keep it.
Just needs to be cleaned, huh?
Yeah, it's just a little crack.
Yep. And that's pretty much it. I mean, mechanically, the Cruiser was in really good shape. The engine and the transmission ran really great, so not a lot that needs to be done there. I'll give it a complete service. You know, just change oil, plugs, you know, that kind of stuff. Change the transmission fluid. Give it an oil change as well.
I know we did some stuff to the inside to make it a little more comfortable.
Yeah.
Because it's not gonna just be an off-road vehicle. You're gonna daily it sometimes, right?
Sometimes.
He's gonna daily it all the time.
When gas prices are cheap, I guess.
Yeah.
No, yeah. So we put kill mat down, which is this is butyl rubber, so the whole cab has been kill matted, and then we put foam in the. This is closed cell foam in the front here along the firewall and up here in the ceiling to kind of help with temperature.
Nice.
Yep, so she's coming along. There's still some work to be done, as you can see, but you know, just getting the cab on today was huge progress.
Heck yeah, man. This is really nice to see.
Yeah, and so right now we've got the wiring harness in. We're working on rebuilding the center console here. So this is the heater core that you just see going in there, and that's sort of the, you know, what we build around. So the next item to come in is going to be the AC evaporator, and then we're gonna put the sorry, is that the evaporator or the condenser? I can't remember. Anyway.
I don't remember either.
Yeah. Well, the AC, the interior AC needs to go in, and then we can start building the dash around that and mounting all the harness around it and putting back in all the modules. As you can tell, there's a million of these boxes because in 1997 computers didn't have enough computing power to have just one computer, so you have to have, you know, probably 20 or 30.
How many of those computers did we lose already?
We actually have spares for just about everything because we took the ones out of the old cab.
Nice.
Whatever we could salvage. So, no, we should have everything. We should be good. Yeah.
All right, man. Well, shit, thanks for letting us know what all has been done to it so far. There's a lot more to come with this vehicle. We're going to take you on the full journey. We're definitely going to be with it on its first outing when Gus jumps it. If you guys were wondering why he reinforced that frame so much, it's because we're going to whistling diesel this thing, for sure.
Yeah.